Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Beebeecraft. I got a few staples this time, and actually I can't even remember what one of these things is. So we'll unbox. Here's something from Beads. I can't remember. Why can't I remember what I ordered? Oh goodness. It's always like Christmas when you can't remember what you got. So it comes in this little box. And I'll leave links to everything below. Oh goodness. Okay. It's a jar. Oh goodness. This is not what I was expecting when I ordered these. These are leather, the ends for leather. Okay. That's a lot. There are a lot in there. Goodness. Let me look at the packing slip and see if it says. If not, it'll be the information below. Yeah, it just says alloy box, 1 box. Okay. I'll leave in the description below. What I couldn't understand from the listing is if you can crimp these. So I'm going to grab a pair of pliers. I don't think they're the crimpable kind. Yeah, they're not. So you just glue in. I think that's 1 or 2 millimeter. Well, it's not 1 millimeter. You might be able to fit 2 millimeter in there. I have some 2 millimeter. Let's see. But you just glue with a E6000 or whatever jewelry glue you like to use. Let's see. I happen to actually get this leather from Beebeecraft too. There are a lot of these. Oh yeah, so this is for 2 millimeter or 2 millimeter leather. So that can come up there. I don't think you can crimp these. I couldn't crimp them with those other smaller pliers. Some of them you can crimp though. No, you can't. So sorry, I'm the worst with the camera. So anyway, you get a ton of these. That's amazing. But if you're doing a lot of jewelry with leather ends, like leather cord necklaces, leather cord bracelets, this is perfect for that. And I'll be using them in a video soon. Next, we have some other staples. I got some clasps. I was running low on, excuse you, Goldie, she's coughing. You okay? Yeah? No, I can't pet you right now, honey. Let me cut these open. Yeah, honey, I love you too. Okay, so after I cut those open, we got a bunch of different clasp colors. It just says 1 box, but I'll leave, like I said, I'll leave the links below. Sorry about the lights shining down, but we have antique copper. It's like a darker silver, like stainless steel color, bright silver, gunmetal, antique brass, and gold. Such a good deal because like the things that I hate buying. I love buying beads. I love buying beads, but I hate buying clasps and like head pins and eye pins, and that's the stuff you actually need to make your jewelry. So when people package stuff like this, it's perfect for me. I love it. I can just throw it in my drawer, and then when I need a clasp, reach in and get it. And then next, you guys knew I was really low on bead stringing wire, and they had this deal. I can't remember if it's 7 strand, 100 yards. And I can, this packing slip doesn't have the prices on it. So I'll leave a link to this below. It was not a lot of money at all. And it's going to hold up. 100 yards. So you'll be seeing me use this more on bracelets because it's gonna hold up to more abuse. But yeah, very cool. And then the fun thing that I got 2 fun things. but they're kind of related to each other. One is this 5-piece shell beads. In the shape of shells. Shell beads in the shape of shells. So mother of pearl beads are so pretty. They're so cute. And then this 50-piece shell beads. Same thing, just a little smaller. They're so cute. I can't wait to make a set with these. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Okay, so like I said, this one's not super exciting when it comes to beads, but it is super exciting when it comes to like the adult things that you need to make for jewelry, like bead stringing wire. Like that's such a great deal. And our cord ends and the clasps. So anyway, I will be obviously making a video using both of these, but stay tuned. We'll have a few videos using this stuff coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out the items I just showed you at beebeecraft.com, and stay tuned for Goldie. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.